Welcome to Creative Edge. I, Sumit Joshi, welcome you all on the behalf of entire Creative Edge team. Today, we are going to discuss most expected questions in NID prelims that is to be held on 8th of January 2023. And these questions we are specifically talking about non-verbal reasoning section. So I've brought some interesting questions from the very past year papers, and we'll be talking about uh, how you should attempt and how should you prepare for such questions. What are the varieties that we need to look up? What are the variety of questions? ऐसे कौन से questions हैं और इन टाइप्स को हम कैसे अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, किस तरह के रिसोर्सेस हमें यूज करने चाहिए, इन सब को लेकर आज की हमारी इस डिस्कशन में बात होने वाली है। अगर आप नए हैं इस चैनल पर, सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। ऑल्सो फॉलो अस ऑन टेलीग्राम एंड इंस्टाग्राम फॉर रेगुलर अपडेट्स related to all design and architecture entrance exams. You'll regularly get general knowledge questions, English questions, and interesting facts related to that will be helping you in your design exams. Also, regular updates about the exams. So do follow us on YouTube as well as subscribe as well as follow us on Telegram and Instagram for regular updates. So let us start our session without any delay. तो जैसा कि मैंने आपसे कहा, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग क्वेश्चंस इन एनआईडी प्रीलिम्स दैट इज टू बी शेड्यूल्ड दैट इज टू बी हेल्ड ऑन 8th of January 2023. तो चलिए बात करते हैं। सबसे पहला वैरायटी देखिए आपके सामने है क्वेश्चन पर। क्वेश्चन जो है वो स्क्रीन पर आपको दिख ही रहा है। सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन what will be the most probable position at number 3 to complete the sequence? So here a person is jumping. So most probably the correct answer will be option B. और इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं। सेटिंग पोजीशन को लेकर हो सकता है, वॉकिंग पोजीशन को लेकर हो सकता है। तो ऐसे आप बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं और नेचुरल पोजेस जो है उनका एक पैटर्न आपको थोड़ा सा ऑब्जर्व करने की जरूरत है। सो दे आर जस्ट चेकिंग वेदर हाउ गुड ऑब्जर्वर यू आर। तो आपके ऑब्जर्वेशंस पर ही बेसिकली क्वेश्चन फ्रेम हो रहे हैं यहाँ पर। सो सिटिंग पोजीशंस को लेकर, वॉकिंग पोजीशंस को लेकर, रनिंग पोजीशंस को लेकर के इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं। तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं माइनर ऑब्जर्वेशंस के साथ। आप अपने आंसर तक इजीली पहुंच सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट है विच पीस फिट्स द जिगजॉ बिलो। तो यहाँ पर आप देखिए कर्व जो है, इस कर्व को लेकर थोड़ा सा आपको ऑब्जर्व करने की जरूरत है। ये वाली हाइट को लेकर ऑब्जर्व करने की जरूरत है। और फिर यहाँ पर एक कर्व है, यहाँ एक छोटा सा कर्व है, ये पार्ट आपको थोड़ा ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है। तो इन सारी चीजों को अगर देखते हुए हम चलें तो सबसे पहले आई विल बी रिजेक्टिंग ऑप्शन सी। देन अगर हम ऑप्शन बी की बात करें तो ऑप्शन बी के साथ या ऑप्शन ए के साथ। सो लेट्स लुक एट ऑप्शन बी। ऑप्शन बी में ट्रबल है। यहां पर अगर आप आकर देखते हैं तो ये वाला पार्ट इस तरह से कुछ है और इसके बाद यहाँ कर्व है। ये देखिए यहाँ पर स्लाइड सा कर्व है और ये फ्लैट जा रहा है। सो आई विल बी एलिमिनेटिंग ऑप्शन बी एज वेल। इसके बाद लेट्स सी ए एंड डी। हमारे पास जो ऑप्शंस रह गए हैं वो है ए एंड डी। सो लेट्स लुक एट ऑप्शन ए। ऑप्शन ए पर ये कर्व यहाँ मैच कर रहा है, यहाँ वाला कर्व भी मैच कर रहा है, बट इसके बाद वाला पार्ट जो है, जैसे अगर आप इस तरह से आ रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर देखेंगे तो यू विल फाइंड दिस पार्ट इज एडिशनल। सो यू कैन एलिमिनेट ए एज वेल and you'll be marking your answer as D. So various questions like this, jigsaw puzzles, missing part of a larger picture, or which will fit in the best in the given situation. So questions like this can be practiced. Next, we will be talking about how many squares do you see in this picture? So in place of squares, that could be triangles, that could be number of straight lines. So this is a very popular question, and this is a very popular type you'll find in NID papers. So let us count here. One, two, three, four. So four here, four here, four here. So overall 16. Then 1, 2, 3. So 16 plus 3, 19. Then in this one square, there are four smaller squares. So 4, 4, 4, 12. So that is 16 plus 12, 28 plus 3, 31. We already have found out. Now remaining part पर focus करते हैं थोड़ा सा. So see here, this is also a square. So 1, 2, 3. Then this one is fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. So 9 squares of size 2 cross 2. Now, when I say size 2 cross 2, what do I mean is one, two, one, two. So 2 cross 2. So this is 2 cross 2. So 9 squares of size 2 cross 2. All right. Then let's talk about size 3 cross 3. So this is first. This one is second. This one is third. And this one is fourth. So 4 squares of size 3 cross 3. And then 1 square of 4 cross 4. So if we add them all, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14, 31 plus 14 is 45. So correct answer to this one is 45. Similarly, you can have a figure where you have to count number of triangles or you have to count number of straight lines in the given figure, right? So practice such questions well, so that if you find such question in your exam, you can easily attempt this one. So the technique to solve is try to identify the sizes, different sizes of a given structure. When I was talking about square, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया size 1 cross 1, this is 1 by 4 cross 1, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 cross 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 cross 1 by 4, 4 squares, then 1 cross 1 we have counted, then 2 cross 2 we have counted, then 3 cross 3 we have counted, right? Next one is, which of the following shapes has largest surface area? So prepare your surface area and volume part from quantitative aptitude effectively so that you can easily identify. And here the answer is option D, because the maximum surface, the maximum boundary length is there in this part. So the maximum surface area will be with the maximum boundary length. So hence answer is option D. Next we have count how many cubes can you identify. So this is quite easier. 1, 2, 3. So 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 in this one layer. So 9 in this second layer and 9 in this third layer. So total of 27 cubes. Alternatively, in this cubes section, you can also find various kinds of images where you have to count the number of cubes, or some of the cubes are painted, some of the surfaces are painted, and then how many surfaces of a smaller cubes are painted and all. So basically, you need to prepare well with cubes and dices. Next, we have, if blue is circle, red is triangle, yellow is a square, purple is this triangle having a circle in it, then green is. So basically, when you combine blue and yellow, you get a green. So circle and square. So the answer is option A here. So color theory based questions, color theory based questions are to be prepared well. Next, we have again area and perimeter. So, which is true for figures shown from moving from left to right. So, this ways we are moving. This is left side and this one is right side. So, moving from left to right, area and perimeter refers to total area and perimeter of the black shapes in each figure, right? So, as we move from here to here, the area decreases because this part is not to be counted, and then further area decreases. But the perimeter increases because the length of boundary is increasing. There are more boundaries to be defined. Hence, answer will be option B, area decreases, perimeter increases. Next one is three faces of cube, three faces of a certain cube are given. Which symbol lies on the face of the cube behind the face with heart shape? Heart के opposite side कौन सा वाला shape होगा? That we need to determine. So see here, heart के neighbor में ये है, heart के neighbor में ये भी है, heart के neighbor में ये भी है. So the only shape that is opposite to heart could be triangle because ये वाला circle, two concentric circles, then single circle and the circle with a plus sign can be eliminated. So I can eliminate A, B, and D. So my answer will be option C. Again, this is a question from cubes and dices. So as I have suggested, cubes and dices must be prepared very effectively, thoroughly. Next, we have pattern identification. Given below is a figure of one with one quadrant missing. Which options will below will complete the figure? See here, these are the hash lines, the sideways, the angle is there in these lines. So I can directly eliminate option A and B. After this, if I look at this figure closely, I can also eliminate option D because here this line is touching this circle and moving. Whereas in this figure, you will not find any line moving in such manner. So answer is option C. Let's have one more question. So this is figure completion, pattern identification again. So choose the appropriate sequence of the numbered shapes which will complete the square in. So this square can be completed with which numbered objects or numbered part of this square that we need to identify. So see here, this could be 3, this could be 5, this could be 7 inverted. When I invert this 7, I'll have this one. And then we need two more triangles. So one triangle is, so we have 1, 2, 4 as three triangles. And in fact, 5 we have already taken. So 1, 2, and 3 out of 1, 2, and 4. Out of 1, 2, and 4, I can surely use 4 here and I can use 1 here. So the answer will be 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 5, and 7. So this is how we must practice. So what are the sources where can we practice such questions? The very first is solve all available past year NID papers, whether you are appearing for UG or PG. Solve both papers, that is UG past year papers as well as PG past year papers, right? After that, I'll recommend various questions from UCEED and SEED design that visual reasoning questions from UCEED and SEED. UCEED and SEED are the design entrance exams conducted by IIT Bombay. For UG courses, they conduct UCEED, and for PG courses, they conduct SEED. So the papers are easily available. So you can solve questions available in those papers, और इन्हीं के साथ साथ आप जैसा कि हमने बात किया है तो ऐसे और भी आप रिसोर्सेज देख सकते हैं जहां पर आपको इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस मिल जाएंगे अलॉन्ग विद दिस आप सोनाली मैम का एक यूट्यूब पर वीडियो अवेलेबल है जिसमें मैम ने आपको sources और books to be referred for NID preparation के बारे में बताया है, तो उस वीडियो को भी आप रेफर कर सकते हैं. And still, if you have any query, you can contact us, call on the number given on the screen. Also, you can reach us on any of the social media. You can DM us on Creative Edge Instagram page. Also, you can connect with us through our website or Telegram channel. Again, if you are new to the channel, subscribe our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and Telegram for regular updates related to all design and architecture entrance exams. You can download the study material for free by clicking on the link given in the description box. So thank you guys. Thank you for listening to us, and we'll be seeing you in our next video. Till then, happy learning and all the very best for your exams. Thank you.